Why do 70% of car owners dread losing their car keys? Because it can turn a good day into a nightmare. Meet Sarah. She had just finished an 8-hour shift in Philly and was ready to head home. But then, disaster struck. She couldn't find her car keys anywhere. Panic set in as she started calling locksmiths. One wanted a fortune, another said they'd take 2 hours to arrive. Then, she found affordable Fast Locksmith at 215-989-0989. In just 10 minutes, a licensed and insured technician was by her side. 5 minutes later, Sarah had new keys, and her relief was palpable. Now, Sarah tells everyone she knows about affordable Fast Locksmith. So, next time you're in a bind, remember, affordable Fast Locksmith is just a call away. 215-989-0989, because nobody's got time to wait around in Philly.